Hey guys, today I'm working with a Crosley electric washer, and right now I've got it going just on normal, and you can see it's got a pretty heavy load there filling up with water. I'm going to let it move through its cycle, show you that obviously you can see it fills up, it'll agitate, drain the water out, and then have a nice, fast, smooth final spin cycle. So we'll let it finish filling up, we'll come back for the agitation. Okay, finished filling up. You can hear it agitating, nice and strong. This up and show you. Getting all those clothes pulled down and cycled through with that center agitator. All right. We'll allow it to move on there through the rinse cycle. Okay, we've moved into the draining portion here. You can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. From here it'll move into the rinse cycle, so it's going to refill with water, agitate for a bit, and then we'll be on to the final spin. Okay, and we're back. Top speed on the spin cycle. It's still got the drain running, getting all that water out as it spins. We'll go ahead and lift this up and the lid switch will kick in and shut it down, but I do it so that you can see that it is spinning nice and fast and that the lid switch works. There you go. Alright, we'll let that finish up, then we'll get these clothes moved over to the electric dryer. Alright, now we're on to the Whirlpool electric dryer, and I've got those clothes piled in there, so we'll go ahead and close that up. We'll just put it on time dry for high heat. As you can see in here, it's got nice smooth operation. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and allow it to warm up for a few minutes, for about 3 or 4 minutes. Then I'm going to show you with my heat gun that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So we'll reset that. You can see it's about 76 degrees on top of the dryer and about 62 on the concrete floor out here. So I like to give it just a minute to warm up to show you just how hot it'll go ahead and get. So we'll give that just a minute and come right back. Alright, it's been just a couple minutes there. We'll go ahead and reset our gun again. And then we'll open this up. Now we're going to shoot this right inside the heating element tube, which you actually see is still red from the heat. But plenty of heat coming out of that tube there. Now the inside of your dryer is going to get anywhere from about 95 up to 195, and that just depends on what you have the heat setting at. But right there is where the heating element is down back behind here. The heat comes up and through this tube here. So now you know it's heating perfectly. So we'll go ahead and let these finish out and go ahead and get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks and have a great day.